market was very much volatile, and market was goes against what we expected. And as you know that we were expecting, especially I was expecting the selling in the market, especially in the commodities in gold and silver. But market was unexpectedly, and volatility, like it's just out of the range, out of control. It's like changes trend, and it's like move towards the bullish trend. And market was in buying trend last week. And for the first time since I made this channel, and in between these 2 months, just my first trade was against my prediction and against my thinking. So it happens because it's the stock market is trading. It's trading in online trading, and it's because of the stock market, off and on, traders face this. But I still hold that positions, and I'm still waiting for the selling, and still waiting for market to come back again. Hello everyone, I'm Rabi Amjad, and I'm gonna tell you today that how I control and hold my market position and my trades, because I am facing loss in last week. That's why I couldn't able to make any video further, because I don't think so that time, because that my trade was also against my prediction, against my technicals, against my fundamentals. So how can I predict you, and how can I recommend anything to you? So I just move away from my channel, and I didn't make any kind of recommendation of video regarding the stock market trends and regarding stock market. So I was just keep an eye on my stock market account, and on my trades, to make it in profitable position. And that's also I make some good profit, which I am gonna show you in this video, and I'll share it. But first, I'm telling you, and as you also got to know, that first time my prediction wasn't right, and goes against me. But it's stock market, and it's not in anyone's hands, and it can be volatile and can be unpredictable sometimes, because it's the world, and it's the trading around the world. So it happens, but the matter is that how can we manage it, how can we hold these position, or whether we should just quit the market, or just take the loss and just quit the trades. And what should we do in this situation when our trades goes against us and our recommendations, and because the trades and the market is goes against our predictions and our expected levels. So we have that in this specific question, that how we can manage our losses which we are holding in our accounts, if sometime market goes against us, and market goes against our positions of and trades. So that's the main important question, that how we can manage our loss. And for this only, this question answer, I think, in my thinking, and I always find it, that only one answer for this question is that backup, the capital backup. Your backup matters a lot. If you have a good backup, if you have a good money, if you have good amount money account, then you will not face loss. You just have to wait for the market to retrace it back, whether it go buy, you buy it, and it's going in sell to selling position. If you have good backup, you just hold that position. You don't need to take that losses, and you just have to wait until the market retrace back, and it again come back. Like as let's take examples of last week. As I was also I was like recommending you, and I was saying that I was predicting that market will sell, but it was buy. We see the very uncontrollable buying position in buying trend in the stock market, especially in commodities market. So all last week the market was like in very much volatile and unpredictable volatile, and I was in selling trend, I was in selling position. And so in that condition, I was just holding that position, because I have good backup. If I would have like minimum backup, like I was working with $2-3,000, then definitely my account will be vanish at last week. But because my accounts was like my accounts are 10,000, minimum $10,000 accounts I'm having, so that's why I'm still holding that positions. And the two three main tips which I will review, that in this condition I, and always in this kind of volatility condition of the market, I always find it that three main things are very much important to trade in stock market, and to minimize your loss in this type of volatile market condition. Like don't do trade with lots of CFD. Trade with minimum lot, and minimum lot always, and always like save you what when market goes very much volatile condition, when market was unpredictable. Then if your trading was like in with your trading was with mini lot, so you can hold that position. Point number two, which is very much important in this volatile condition, like your backup matters a lot. Your account should be $10,000 or more than it, which is very much safe for working in stock market, and to hold your position in this volatility condition. And the point number three is just wait and watch. Don't get panic, and don't like close your trades or just take loss because you're like seeing your losses in -$500 or -$400. Don't panic, just wait and watch, because market will retrace. If it's not retrace that level which you buy it or you sell it, then it will definitely back that level, 50% back that level, and 50% retracement is essential. And you oftenly can see that everything, when market go by it, the very next day it came 50% back condition, and then again it will go, it will follow its trend, like it will follow its bullish trend. So you have to wait that 50% retracement, and you just have, if you have good backup, if your lots are not that too much, you have mini lots, and you were just like keeping your eye on your market and market condition. So then you can hold that, and you can it's now don't keep your eye 24 hour on the market. Just take profit, just fixed any trade profit which you think good for your trade, and then just switch off your platform. And often but in this volatile condition, see your account and see your market after 1 hour, after two hours, that what would be the market is happening, what's the next level market hit, whether the market hit low level or whether it hit high level. So just keep an eye and watch what trend market will follow, but don't stick to the market at 24 hour when your trades were going in loss position, especially because if you see continuously and 24-hour market, you will like so much confusion, so much you are so much confused, and it's for like so much complicated question and decision for you, whether I should take that loss or whether I should hold that position. So it will make you so much confused, and you always do a wrong step, and you always do like a wrong decision, take wrong decision because of confusion. So just wait and watch, and just keep an eye after 1 hour, after 2 hour, open your market, log in, just wait, just watch where is the market is moving on, where is what's happening in the market, whether it break it low, whether my trades are giving me profit or not, or what's happening in the market. Just see and watch, and then again log out. So these are the three main points which I think I recommend you to do. Work with mini lot. And number 2 point is your backup matters a lot, so minimum backup should be $10,000. And the point number 3, if your trade goes against your prediction and you are having loss, then don't panic. Just keep your eye on the market, but don't stick 24 hour with the market. Okay, so that's for all now. Let's hope that as goal already hit around about 1800, 18 and 30 level. So it already crossed 18,000, 1800 level. So we can expect 1850 would be the next level if go still continue its buying trend. But 50% retracement I'm still expecting, and it will definitely come back. As last week, you can see that in Friday it hit the 14, it hit 50% also, and it hit the low level of 1747. So we also, and the high level was 1770, so we 77. So we expect that I think that market will be sell, and again 50% retracement is must. So we can also again see 1725 level, and upside level would be of if still it continue bullish trend, then 1850 would be the next important level. Okay, but I think still my positions will be definitely giving me profit in this coming week, in this Monday. So wait and watch, and please subscribe and like my channel for my appreciation, and for your assistance, and for my appreciation, and for working. Thank you so much.